Today I am going to talk on the life cycles in algae. Now, during the process of the sexual reproduction, the gametes fertilize and unite to form a diploid zygote. The zygote either undergoes through a reduction division and gives rise to haploid plants, or it directly germinates into a haploid plant immediately or after some resting period. Male and female sex organs develop on these plants. The gametes which are developed in these sex organs unite and fuse under the process of the fertilization, forming zygote. The sequence of all these different phases through which an organism passes from zygote of one generation up to the zygote of next generation is known as its life cycle. Now, we will see the different types of life cycles present in algae. The first is haplodiplontic, second diplontic, third haplodiplontic or diplohaplontic, in which isomorphic and heteromorphic subtypes they are present. Fourth haplobiontic, and fifth diplobiontic or triphasic or haplodiplobiontic. Now, we will see one by one all these life cycles in detail. Now, the first life cycle, it is haplontic life cycle. The plant body is gametophytic or haploid in nature. The gametophytic plant develops haploid gametes in the gametangium. The fusion between gametes is called the syngamy. After the syngamy, a diploid zygote is formed. This diploid zygote undergoes reduction division and form 4 meiospores. These meiospores germinate to form haploid forms. So, in this case, all the phases of the life cycle, they are haploid in nature except zygote. Therefore, this type of life cycle is called as the haplontic life cycle. Haplontic life cycle, homothallic species and heterothallic species are present in some algae. In the homothallic species, all the haploid meiospores form homothallic gametophytic plants separately. Example of this homothallic species is Oedogonium. While in heterothallic species, 2 out of 4 meiospores develop haploid male gametophyte and remaining 2 meiospores gives rise to female gametophyte. Example of homothallic species Chlamydomonas and Eudothrix. The second type, diplontic life cycle. In this type, the plant body is diploid or sporophytic in nature. The sex organs or gametangia are also diploid. Sex organs produce gametes by meiosis, thus gametes are haploid. The gametes undergo fertilization immediately and form a zygote. The zygote does not undergo meiosis and gives rise to new sporophytic plant body. Thus, all the stages are diploid except haploid gametes. Therefore, the dominant parts of the life cycle are occupied by diploid stages, hence it is called diplontic life cycle. Example of the diplontic life cycle, it is present in Sargassum and Fucus. In the third type, it is haplodiplontic or diplohaplontic, 2 distinct vegetative individuals are present, of which one is haploid or gametophytic and other is diploid or sporophytic in nature. Because both the gametophytic and sporophytic generations come alternately, the plant with such life cycles show clear alternation of generation. Because of presence of one haploid and one diploid individuals, such life cycle are called haplodiplontic or diplohaplontic life cycle. Here there are two types of life cycles present: isomorphic haplodiplontic life cycle and heteromorphic haplodiplontic life cycle. In isomorphic haplodiplontic life cycle, when both the diploid and haploid vegetative plants are morphologically similar and come alternately in the life cycle, such life cycle is called isomorphic haplodiplontic or diplohaplontic life cycle. This type of life cycle it is present in ulva. In heteromorphic type, when both the diploid and haploid vegetative plants are morphologically dissimilar, therefore it is heteromorphic and come alternately in the life cycle. Such life cycle is called heteromorphic haplodiplontic or diplohaplontic life cycle. Example of this heteromorphic life cycle it is present in algae laminaria. In laminaria, the sporophytic plant body is very large, reaching up to several meters in length, while gametophytic plant body is microscopic. In fourth, haplobiontic type, two well developed haploid phases are present in the life cycle. Example of haplobiontic life cycle is present in algae Batrachosperma. The plant body is gametophytic and haploid. Spermatangia and Carpogonia are two sex organs which develops on gametophytic plant. Sex organs bear haploid gametes called spermaceum, that is the male, and egg, that is the female. By fertilization, they fuse and form a diploid zygote. The zygote immediately undergoes meiosis and produces another haploid gametophytic plant, that is called as the carposporophyte. The carposporophyte develops carposporangium, which produces haploid carpospores. The carpospores germinate and develop gametophytic plant. Thus, one haploid phase is represented by gametophytic plant and second haploid phase is represented by carposporophyte. Because of presence of two haploid phases, such life cycle is called haplobiontic life cycle or diphasic life cycle. The fifth type is haplodiplobiontic, or it is also called as the diplobiontic or triphasic type of life cycle. In this type, one haploid phase and two diploid phases are present in the life cycle. Hence, it is called as the haplodiplobiontic or diplobiontic or triphasic type of life cycle. Example of such type of life cycle it is present in algae Polysiphonia. In Polysiphonia, haploid male and female gametophytic plants are present separately. Male plant bears spermatangia and female plant bears carpogonia. Later, the spermatangium and carpogonium develops sperms and eggs respectively. The male and female gamete fuse to form diploid zygote. The zygote develops a diploid carposporophytic phase. The diploid carpospores are present in the carposporophyte. These carpospores germinate and forms diploid tetrasporophytic plant. The tetrasporophytic plant develops diploid tetrasporangia, each of which produces 4 haploid tetraspores by reduction division. These tetraspores develop into haploid gametophytic plant. Thus, life cycle is completed. This life cycle, as it consists of 3 phases, as haploid gametophyte, diploid carposporophyte and diploid tetrasporophytic plant. Thus, presence of one haploid and 2 diploid phases, it is called haplodiplobiontic or diplobiontic or triphasic type of life cycle. Thank you.